Welcome to the best picks. The best zipline kit is probably one of the most exciting and fun ways to add adventure to your backyard, but with so many different kits available, choosing the right one for your kids can be tricky. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect zipline kit, ensuring both safety and endless fun for your little adventurers, considering factors like weight capacity, cable length, braking systems, and overall quality. Number 5. TRSMIMA Zipline Kit. It features a safe strap, adjustable safety belt, and reliable braking system for maximum security. The sturdy seat can hold up to 380 pounds, ensuring a thrilling yet safe ride for everyone. This zipline is built with ultra-strong, galvanized aircraft stainless steel cable. It's durable, weather-resistant, and can easily support up to 380 pounds, providing years of fun. The trolley features double stainless steel, sealed ball bearings, and soft grips for a smooth ride. Its removable design makes it easy to install and take down. Unlike others, it has a 6.5 feet SUS 304 stainless steel spring brake system. This ensures a safe distance from trees and prevents sudden stops, adding an extra layer of safety. It's designed to create lasting memories. If you're not satisfied within 30 days, contact us. We're here to help you have a worry-free and enjoyable experience. What we like. If safety is your top priority, this zipline kit is for you. Its sturdy design and reliable braking system will give you peace of mind. If you're looking for a durable and long-lasting option, this is the one to choose. What people say. Easy to install. The kit came as advertised and works great. The safety harness in the kit is what drew my attention, as I wouldn't let my kids ride without one. This is a climbing harness that you'd wear at commercial ziplines and fits everyone in my family from me to my 8-year-old daughter. Number 4. Hyponix Zipline Kit. Get ready for backyard thrills. This kit provides a safe and affordable way to experience the excitement of ziplining, right in your own home. It's designed for a quick setup. The innovative ratchet system makes tensioning a breeze, saving you time and effort compared to traditional methods. It's built to last with premium stainless steel components, ensuring rust and corrosion resistance for years of enjoyment. With 4 ratchets and 8 climbing holds, it makes climbing trees easier and more fun for everyone. Give your kids a fun way to get active outdoors. They'll love gliding through the air on their own zipline. We're so confident in its quality, we offer a 10-year replacement guarantee. Enjoy years of worry-free zipline adventures. What we like. This kit boasts a remarkably fast setup time, saving you valuable time and effort. It also includes climbing holds for extra fun and challenge. If you value convenience and a product built to last, this zipline is perfect for you. What people say. Installation was a breeze. If you watch the installation video and pay special attention to the amount of sag in the line, very important if you don't want the kiddos flying off at the end, all will go well. Durability has been excellent, considering every single piece has remained outside during that time, through hot summers, rainy days, and cold snowy Ohio winters. This is an extremely sturdy zipline kit. All the parts were included, as well as tools. The straps, carabiners, handle, cable, and fittings are all extremely good quality. The instruction video was easy to follow. Number 3. Fofana Ninja Slider Zipline. Experience the thrill of a ninja warrior in your own backyard. This zipline kit will boost your confidence and coordination as you become the ultimate ninja. Get ready for hours of fun with this zipline, perfect for kids and adults. It's an exciting way to enjoy the outdoors and create lasting memories. Setting up this zipline is a breeze. Simply find 2 trees, attach the slack line, add the pulley and swing, and you're ready for adventure in minutes. Create your own backyard ninja course. Start with this zipline and expand with other obstacles for endless fun and challenges. This high-quality zipline is built to withstand up to 250 pounds. Its durable construction ensures years of exciting adventures. What we like. Does your child dream of being a ninja warrior? This kit brings that dream to life. It's incredibly easy to set up, and its durable construction ensures long-lasting fun. If you want to create an exciting ninja course, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The zip lines are designed to be enjoyed by both kids and adults, making them a versatile addition to the gym. The excitement of ziplining is something everyone can appreciate, and it's become a favorite activity for all age groups. The zip lines are built with high-quality, durable materials that can withstand a lot of use. The cables are strong and reliable, ensuring safety and longevity even with frequent use. Setting up the zip lines was straightforward and didn't require any specialized tools. The instructions were clear, and it was easy to get everything in place quickly. Number 2. XBEN Zipline Kit. It features a sturdy 60mm swing seat, much safer than other models. The adjustable length ensures a perfect fit for kids of all sizes. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply find 2 trees, attach it, and let the fun begin. Hours of backyard entertainment await. It's built with premium stainless steel for durability and rust resistance. The double stainless steel pulley with sealed ball bearings ensures smooth operation. The high-strength stainless steel spring brake provides a safe stopping distance. Your children's safety is our top priority. Give the gift of adventure. This zipline kit provides endless fun for the whole family, perfect for birthdays or holidays. Create lasting memories with this exciting outdoor activity. It's the ideal way to keep kids active and entertained. What we like. This zipline kit prioritizes safety with its sturdy seat and reliable braking system. It's also surprisingly easy to set up, making it perfect for families. If you want a high-quality, safe, and easy-to-assemble zipline, this is the one for you. What people say. This came exactly as specified. The kids love it. It's easy to put together, sturdy, strong, loads of fun to use. We purchased this for our kids for Christmas. Got it set up in January, which was pretty easy, and our kids loved it. Everything worked well for 3 weeks. The zipline appears to be excellent, just hooked it up for the grandkids, and they had fun with it. Seems sturdy, somewhat easy to install. Number 1. Slackers Night Riderz Zipline. Introducing the Slackers Night Riderz Zipline, designed to get kids active and playing outdoors. It's a fun and exciting way to enjoy the great outdoors. Experience the thrill of soaring through the air with its light-up seat. This unique feature adds an extra element of fun to your backyard adventures. It's built with high-quality materials, ensuring years of safe and reliable fun. We prioritize quality so your family can enjoy it for a long time. Safety is our top priority. It meets or exceeds strict U.S. safety standards, giving you peace of mind while your kids play. We stand behind our products. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer service team will work with you to resolve any issues. What we like. Make nighttime ziplining a reality with this kit's unique LED light-up seat. It's designed with safety in mind and built to last. If you're looking for a fun, safe, and high-quality zipline experience, especially for nighttime adventures, this is it. What people say. Product arrived packaged well and on time. After reading multiple reviews stating a cable puller would be needed, we were a little apprehensive about trying to install this with the broom method described in the directions. However, we were pleasantly surprised at how easy this was to install. The broom method worked great for us, but we used garden rakes instead. We, 2 adults, had the zip line up and were testing within an hour. We installed the zip line between 2 trees in our backyard, length 100 foot. It took a lot of adjusting to get the cable to where we wanted it. Everyone loves it. The brake works great. My kids love this zip line. I was able to install in a few hours and happy with the quality of the materials. The guide helps understand the correct angle to measure for sloping ground and is easy to follow. The kids enjoy the light show and riding it at night. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.